Okay, I wanted to just show you guys. I know some of you have used Google Form to make quizzes, and I did too last semester when the stay-at-home orders first came on, and we just came back to um, remote learning, I guess, distance or e-learning, whatever they were calling it at the time. And so when you have Google Form, if you want to have things look nice, like in a textbook, like expressions or equations. You want it formatted the way that math is usually formatted. Um, you can get pictures of your stuff and then put the pictures in, kind of like you're seeing here. This was uh, one of the questions that I gave to my Algebra 2 students last year while we were on distance learning. It was just the expansion of the binomial, fifth power. Um, so I just wanted to show you how you could make it look like that rather than typing it out kind of in this way. So I use this site. You can just search CodeCog's editor, and there's like different places where it's hosted. You can type in your equation using LateX, and then it'll create the output picture, and you can just save that picture and then upload that picture into Google Forms. You can do all sorts of things. So like if you want the Greek alphabet, you can come up to alpha, beta, gamma, and whatever, and then you see the rest of them sort of pop down. If you wanted prime or a dot for calculus, if you wanted a vector or a line segment, or you can do all sorts of things. You can do vectors or combinations. I guess that looks like a binomial coefficient, but you can represent vectors with that. Matrices. Oops, didn't mean to click. You just have a lot of things. So even if you're not sure how to... Oh, I didn't even realize you could change that. Even if you're not sure how to type in LaTeX, you can use this little palette up top, this toolbar thing, and you can pretty much bring things in. You'll get the code, and you'll probably kind of understand how the code works, and then you can just edit that. So like if I wanted to do my binomial theorem, it's really not that much to it. You can just type, like x, and it looks pretty down here, squared plus 4x. So it looks kind of nice. I really didn't really have to do that much to make that happen. If I did want fractions, though, like this, like instead of just doing bar, you could hit the fraction, and then you see there's this slash fraction with two sockets, two curly brackets. So I could say 3xy, and underneath maybe 14x or z squared, and then you have a nice looking format. You can just click to download, I guess it's a GIF. I thought you could change it so it could be like a PNG if you want. You can even make it vector graphics. Size fonts, maybe you want it tremendous. It's up to you. What kind of background? White, black, transparent. I think that's background, right? Or is that font? I think it's background. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. You could do summations, integrals. So if you wanted to do this, you could say sum for n equals 0 to... I don't know how infinity works. Nope. Well, you can look for this symbol somewhere. I'm sure it's up here in the menu somewhere. But you could go to, I don't know, 15. And then say n squared plus n. Maybe the triangular numbers. There. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that you can make very nice looking type-faced mathematical expressions that look like they're straight out of a textbook. You can save those, put them on your Google form, and your Google form can then look like it's a little bit more made for math, I guess. So anyway, I hope that helps. Again, Code Cogs, equation editor. Have a good day.